Or what truck is this?
32 out of 900.
Wow.
100th anniversary.
Jeez.
605, 2050 Toward, true, and it's automatic. I get hated on because it's automatic. Then they take everything back, everything they say back when I go buy them. I was really skeptical about it, but I'm impressed.
How long you been driving for Massey?
Almost 3 years now. I'm one of the few company truck seat guys that goes to truck stops. He's got some. We just started the cow stuff about 3 months ago, I guess. Yeah, 3 months ago, we just started the cow stuff. Man, we got that from a guy in Louisiana. It was a show trailer. And everybody's always asking me, like, I bet it don't see a cow one. It works every day. It's just really super clean now because of the truck stop.
So what's your favorite part of the truck?
The sleeper, the big 86-inch sleeper.
What kind of engine you got in there?
It's a Cummins i6, 605, 2050 Toward, 355s. You're rolling. The only bad thing about it is it hits the door, rubs the vinyl. Because all this is vinyl wrap. Like, I'm used to it now, but everybody else wants to grab my door and shove the little snot out of it and it winds up messing my vinyl up. Because, like, I put it on TikTok, I'm all over them TikTok, and I ain't had nobody tell me it's ugly or nothing yet. Everybody tells me it's hotter than hell.
Yeah, it's a nice color. What was that, baby blue?
Nope, graffiti blue.
I was way off.
That's what I named the truck, was baby blue. Oh, come up with another damn name for it.
I'll get you as you leave.
Yeah, and I can't never get nobody to record me a good one of me going.